Hey guys, welcome back to Kinsey Lo. So if you watched last week's video, Lauren did the 10-minute glow up challenge. And so today I'm gonna do it. I kind of feel pretty confident in it, which is probably like a curse to say that before I start. So we're just gonna knock on wood. But I do my makeup pretty quickly every morning, but I don't do eyeshadow, and I'm gonna add that in. So I don't know, it's gonna be really interesting. I apologize for my crazy baby hairs. They're just like not cooperating today, and it's just, sorry. Okay, without further ado, Lauren is off camera and she has a timer ready to go.
Ready to go.
And she'll give me super great updates throughout the time. And I don't know, should I just get into it?
I would say yeah. Okay.
Let's do
I just press start?
If it's on 10 minutes, you should just, yeah.
I like do mine differently. That's like something. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Okay. I'm gonna start with priming my eyes. I'm using the Smashbox 24-hour, the whatever. It's good. Lauren uses it too. We both love it. Okay. Now I'm gonna do my foundation first. I'm currently mixing 3 foundations, as high maintenance as that sounds, but I'm using 2 different shades of the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, shade Fair and the shade Light to get my right shade, and then I do 1 pump of the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation in Porcelain, and then mix those all together. Oh shoot. I forgot to prime. Okay.
Maybe it'll just make you go faster.
Yeah, okay. Before we blend though, Honest Magic Beauty Balm. Only complaint, honestly, the packaging. Put it in my smile lines. Prevents creasing because it's just like not cute. Okay, good job. Now that we have that, put some dots everywhere. Taking my Morphe sponge. This is the Jeffree Star collection. Low key kind of only bought this because it was pink, but it's fine. It's literally the same as all the other Morphe sponges. Okay, I think that's good enough. Then I take my Cover FX concealer. I don't know what it's called. It's the one in the tube. Put a tiny bit under my eyes and on any blemishes. Literally, the tiniest amount of this product goes so far. It's insane. Like, I don't know if I ever run out of that, I'm truly gonna be amazed. So tap it in. I don't like using sponges or brushes under my eyes. I don't know why. I have a really hard time with, like, it looks so cakey so quickly, and my wrinkles. Ugh. Okay. I feel like I'm taking too long on this.
You have some that you're 6:46 left.
Okay. So now I'm gonna wipe it all off my hand.
What's your Costco?
9292. Now y'all know it. I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I always, like, before I put it under my eyes, I do like 1 final pat in to make sure I'm not setting it into creases. I go under my eyes first. Everywhere else. I'm still like undecided on this powder. However, I will say I used to use the Laura Mercier translucent one, and this container lasts, it's like roughly the same size. It lasts so much longer. Like, I go through 1/8 of the amount of powder that I did with the Laura Mercier, which I don't know why. Maybe I'm not using as much powder, but okay. Then I'm taking just like a fluffy brush and this Laura Mercier bronzer in the shade 3. And I just do this on my temples. Kind of like a little bit of a, well, that's pretty much my whole forehead. Really great. Then I take my Anastasia contour kit and I use the middle contour shade. I'm gonna go on my cheekbones. 5 minutes. Okay. I really need 3 minutes for my mascara. Like, if I'm being real, that's gonna be the only thing that's a struggle in this video.
Baby girl.
Okay. Now, moving on, NARS Madly Blush. I'm wearing blush on the apples of my cheekbones. New for me. Going wild. Then I take my powder brush, wow, blend any edges, and then I'm gonna take the Olivia Jade highlight palette, and I take the shade, this one. Cheekbones, Cupid's bow, nose, forehead, probably more on the cheekbones, just to be safe. Okay, face is completely done. Now onto eyes. I'm just taking a like normal blending brush, fluffy dude, going back into my contour shade, throwing that in the crease to get some definition, and I'm putting it on the outer corner of my eye as well. And just like really quickly buffing it in. And I'm taking a clean, fluffy blending brush and doing the edges.
3 minutes.
What are we at? 3 minutes? Great. Okay. Then I'm taking a dome, whatever brush, throwing some on the lower lash line. Still the same contour shade. Clean blending brush. I know I'm taking too long. Okay. Back to the Olivia Jade palette. Middle peachy shade. Throw that on the lid. And then the white shade mixed with that on the inner corner. And also under the brow. Great. Okay. Now, L'Oreal Infallible Black Pencil Eyeliner, upper tight line. I cannot skip this step. Also, this eyeliner, I bought it randomly one day. It's so good. It does not move. Which, for someone who waterlines and tight lines, that's huge. Okay.
1:30.
Oh, shoot. Urban Decay Smog on the lower. Oh, God. Okay. Too Faced better than Sex Mascara. Get your mini fan ready, obviously.
1 minute.
Oh, no. Wow, I told you the mascara is going to kill me.
I've never seen you do it this quick. I'm loving it.
Okay, 1 coat of 4 done. Good enough? What are we at?
30 seconds.
Oh, great.
10 seconds.
Okay. If I didn't have a 3-minute mascara routine, I'd be doing great right now. Okay, you know what? I would stop right now, but we're at a crucial step in the mascara routine. So as soon as I finish this, we can like debrief, but
You can cheat like me.
I'm not putting the mascara one down until I'm done. Okay. We're not done yet. Now, Benefit They're Real. this lengthens and separates and goes on my lower lash lines and doesn't transfer. It's great. Lower lashes, I guess. Okay, so roughly at 10 minutes, we're here. If I were to cheat, I would then just quickly run a little bit of my Dior Bold Brow in the shade 3 through my eyebrows just to like add a little something going on there. So we'll just, do you see that? That's what happens when I try to be quick.
That's the world being like, you should have done it
in 10 minutes.
In 10 minutes, bitch.
Story of my life. Okay. See, the eyebrows just take like 0 time though. I'm done. Minus the cleanup I have to do now. This is my left eyebrow. We're not friends right now. It's been really being a pain in the butt. It arches higher than the other one, so I look crazy if I don't really check them. See, right now we're arched differently. This one's higher.
I don't really notice, honestly. You can't tell on camera.
Oh. Well, I just brushed this one up higher. And then I take a spoolie to fix any mistakes that I make. That looks okay. I wouldn't say great. That looks okay. Okay, and then like if we were gonna do like maybe like 1.5 final steps, just throw on a quick gloss. This is a Lorac lip gloss. I don't know what the color is. I stole it from my mom. She's probably just now finding out I have it. I really like it. Okay, and then, you know, the last step always, setting spray. This is the Smashbox Primer Water. Breaking rules. Alright, after like a quick fan sesh. And just like that, in 10 quick minutes, plus a few, you glow up to this. Yay. Okay, I don't know how it looks.
Looks good.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That's pretty much, this is my everyday makeup routine essentially, elevated a little bit. I don't usually wear eyeshadow to work and I don't wear lip gloss. I wear chapstick. So, you know, if I didn't have my mascara issues, I feel like I could have done it in 10. But alas, I have mascara issues. So if you liked this more beauty tutorial makeup look video, let us know in the comments. Thumbs up the video. You know, follow us on our Instagram, Kinsey Lo. We love to hear from you guys. Know what you want to see, know what you like, all that kind of stuff. So let us know, and we will see you in our next video.